Alright, now let's open Jirachi. So as you can see, he or she has a very unique design. Jirachi is the wish Pokemon. At guys, sobrang ganda niya as in, siya lang ang legendary at parang out of place. So, buksan na natin. Ganda. As in, sobrang ganda. You have the tearful look. Have the star design. Tapos yung details, the attention to details, so nice. Yung wings, yung ear flaps, ang ganda. Actually, you can put it in your palm. Yeah. Looks perfectly cute. Anyway, so, ano na natin siya. Try natin. Tapos, of course, on button. Malakas ah. Yun, 70% na to. Kanina 30. Ngayon, 100. Okay. In fairness, though, ito lang talaga yung glowing part. Pero, okay na rin sa akin. Kasi parang it epitomizes the subtle glow ni Jirachi. Try naman natin yung walang ring light. Tsaka, patayin na rin natin yung ilaw. Alright, Jirachi, time to shine. 30%, 70%, 100%. Guys, Jirachi is so nice. Ay, nako guys, ang ganda. Sobrang nice ni Jirachi kapag nakapatay ang ilaw. Ganda, bagay sila ni Bulbasaur. Wait lang, ano ko to. O, diba? They look good together. Guys, follow for more reviews. Pero guys, highly recommended. Ang mura niya, pero yet, ganda ng pagkakadesign. So, yon.